Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a market that's absolutely electrifying right now: silver. If you've been following the precious metal space, you know that the buzz is real. Silver isn't just catching a bid, it's on a tear, and it looks like it has its sights set on making history. For weeks, we've been watching silver consolidate, build a base, and absorb any selling pressure that came its way. But now, the game has changed. We've seen a decisive push higher, a breakout that has captured the attention of traders and investors worldwide. Just recently, we witnessed silver slice through the significant psychological and technical level of $51.50. This isn't just another number on the chart, it's a major milestone. Breaking this level signifies strong buyer conviction and opens the door to a whole new range of possibilities. So, what's next? All eyes are on the ultimate prize, the all-time high. The highest recorded price for silver stands at a legendary $54.47. For years, that number has felt like a distant dream, a peak that seemed almost untouchable. But with the current momentum, that dream is rapidly turning into a tangible target. The energy in the market suggests that we're not just testing old resistance, we're aiming to shatter it. A breakout above this ultimate high would be monumental, signaling a new era for silver prices and entering uncharted territory, a phase known as price discovery. Now, let's break down the driving forces behind this incredible rally. It's not just one single factor, but a perfect storm of bullish catalysts coming together. First and foremost, we have the macroeconomic picture. Inflationary pressures, while having moderated in some areas, remain a persistent concern for many. Investors are looking for hard assets, tangible stores of value that can protect their purchasing power from being eroded by rising prices. Silver, with its thousands of years of history as money, fits that bill perfectly. Then there's the monetary policy aspect. Central banks around the globe, particularly the Federal Reserve, are signaling a pivot towards a more accommodative stance. The prospect of interest rate cuts makes holding non-yielding assets like silver more attractive. When interest rates fall, the opportunity cost of holding precious metals decreases, making them a more competitive investment compared to bonds or savings accounts. This shift in central bank policy is acting like a powerful tailwind for silver. But silver's story is unique because it's a tale of two markets. It's not just a monetary metal, it's also a critical industrial commodity. And this is where the demand side of the equation gets incredibly exciting. The green energy transition is happening, and it's massively silver-intensive. Think about solar panels. Photovoltaic cells, the key components of solar panels, require a significant amount of silver. As the world pushes towards renewable energy sources to combat climate change, the demand for solar panels is exploding. And with it, the demand for industrial silver is set to soar for years, even decades to come. It doesn't stop there. The rise of electric vehicles, 5G technology, and countless other electronic applications all rely on silver's unique conductive properties. Unlike gold, a large portion of the silver used in industrial applications is consumed and not easily recycled. This creates a constant, inelastic demand that underpins the market. So, while investment demand can be cyclical, industrial demand provides a solid and growing floor for the silver price. Let's talk about the supply side of the equation, which adds another layer of bullishness to this story. For years, there has been a structural deficit in the silver market. That means demand has been consistently outstripping new mine supply. This deficit has been filled by drawing down existing above-ground stockpiles. But how long can that last? Those stockpiles aren't infinite. Major bullion vaults, like those at the COMEX and the London Bullion Market Association, have seen significant outflows. This tightening of physical supply creates a very fragile situation. Any major surge in investment demand could quickly expose this supply squeeze, leading to a scramble for physical metal and a potential parabolic price move. Mining production itself faces challenges. It's becoming harder and more expensive to find and develop new high-grade silver deposits. Environmental regulations, geopolitical instability in key mining regions, and rising energy costs all add to the difficulty of bringing new supply to market. It's important to remember that most silver is mined as a byproduct of other metals like lead, zinc, and copper. So, silver production is often dependent on the economics of these other base metals, not just the silver price itself. This complex supply dynamic means we can't just flip a switch and produce more silver, even if the price skyrockets. Putting it all together, we have a compelling case. We have strong monetary demand, driven by inflation fears, and a pivot in central bank policy. We have explosive industrial demand, fueled by the green energy revolution and technological advancements. And we have a constrained and tightening supply picture with a structural deficit that's been running for years. This is the trifecta that many silver bulls have been waiting for. Now, let's look at the charts and the technical picture. The breakout above 5150 was technically significant. It cleared a major resistance zone and confirmed the uptrend. Volume has been strong on the up moves, indicating institutional participation and strong conviction. The next logical target is, of course, the all-time high of 54.47s. A close above that level on a daily or, even better, a weekly basis would be the ultimate confirmation of a new bull market. What could happen if we break out? When an asset breaks its all-time high, there's no overhead resistance. There are no sellers who bought at a higher price and are waiting to sell at their break-even point. This is what we call price discovery. In this phase, prices can move very quickly as the market tries to find a new equilibrium. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, can kick in, drawing in a wave of new buyers and potentially leading to a parabolic advance. Given the multi-year consolidation period that silver has been in, the energy stored up for this potential move is immense. Of course, no market moves in a straight line. We should always be prepared for pullbacks and volatility. Profit-taking is a natural part of any uptrend. A healthy pullback could even see us retest the breakout level around 5150, turning old resistance into new support. Such a retest would be a very bullish sign, confirming the strength of the breakout and providing another opportunity for those who missed the initial move. As investors, it's crucial to have a plan and manage risk. Don't go all in at one price. Consider scaling into a position over time. However, the bigger picture remains incredibly bright. The fundamental and technical factors are aligning in a way we haven't seen in over a decade. The narrative around silver is shifting from a forgotten precious metal to a critical asset for the future. It's both a safe haven from monetary debasement and a key ingredient for technological progress. The sentiment is shifting. For a long time, silver has been the underdog, overshadowed by gold. But now it's starting to get the attention it deserves. When the mainstream media and the general public start talking about silver, that's when the real fireworks could begin. We are seeing a powerful confluence of factors that could propel silver not just to its old highs, but far beyond. The journey to a new all-time high is underway. The buyers are here, the momentum is building, and the stage is set for a historic move. This is a market you do not want to take your eyes off of. Thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts on silver? Do you think we'll see a new all-time high this year? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more market updates. I'll see you in the next video.